Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use a ghost cut turkey call. This technique is excellent for producing soft, realistic turkey sounds that can entice wary gobblers. We'll cover the fundamentals, from holding the call correctly to mastering the basic yelp. With a little practice, you'll be making convincing calls in no time, increasing your chances of a successful hunt. Let's get started. Proper hand placement is key to a good ghost cut. Hold the call gently between your thumb and index finger, ensuring a firm but not tight grip. Your other fingers should cup around the call, creating a small chamber. This chamber helps amplify and shape the sound, giving your calls a more natural tone. Experiment with slight adjustments to find your sweet spot. Now let's create the basic yelp. With your hand positioned, use a short, controlled stroke across the call's surface. Imagine a quick, light scratch. The sound should be a soft, two-note yelp. Focus on consistency and rhythm. Practice this fundamental call repeatedly, aiming for a smooth transition between the notes. This forms the foundation for more advanced calls. Once you've mastered the yelp, you can add clucks and purrs. For a cluck, use a very short, sharp tap on the call. To make a purr, apply gentle, continuous pressure while slowly dragging your finger. These subtle sounds are excellent for close-range birds. Combining yelps, clucks, and purrs creates a more convincing and natural turkey conversation, drawing in those cautious gobblers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.